everyone, welcome to Simple Things. In today's video, I'm going to share something which will be very useful to you. If you're a person who uses turmeric powder, either in food or for any other purpose, then you should know a very important fact about it. Without wasting time, I want to ask you something. Are you really using turmeric powder or some yellow powder that looks and smells like turmeric powder? How can we know the difference? Watch this video till the end to see at home how we can test it and check the difference. We all grew up hearing about the importance of turmeric, right? It has tons of health benefits and used as a cure for many medical conditions. It is the best immunity booster. And it is one spice that has been consumed even without cooking, right? It is used as a remedy for cough or cold, and in most of the cases consumed directly, or we'll just mix it with water, milk or honey. That is exactly why it is very important that the turmeric powder we use should be pure, because or else we will be consuming some yellow powder contaminated with artificial colors and bulking agents, which will result in some serious health issues. So how can we check at home whether the turmeric powder is adulterated or not? For that, we can use a very simple technique which I'm going to show you right now. So I have taken 3 types of turmeric powders. Okay, in the first spoon I have taken homemade turmeric powder. Homemade turmeric powder. Turmeric is being dried and powdered at home itself. That's very pure. And the second one is normal store-bought turmeric powder. And the third one is organic turmeric powder, which is one of the organic brand that I am using, that I just took 1 teaspoon out of it. As you can see, there is a slight difference in the color itself. Now I have taken 3 glasses of lukewarm water. Okay, the temperature of the water should not be cold or should not be too hot. So in the middle one, I am going to add that turmeric powder which I bought from the shop. It's normal, not organic, not homemade. And in this one, the homemade turmeric powder, I'm going to add. Just now itself you can see the difference, how it is coming to the bottom and how the other one just mix it up in the water. And in the third one, organic turmeric powder, that 1 teaspoon I'm adding. Now I'm going to keep it just like this without moving for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's see the results. See, this adulterated turmeric powder may contain methyl yellow, which will give that yellow color to the powder, lead chromate and chalk powder. It's a very small test everyone can do at home. If you are using the turmeric powder for any medicinal purposes other than cooking, then you should be making sure that the turmeric powder is pure. So how we can know about this is, if all the turmeric powder comes to the bottom of the glass leaving the water above, then that means it's pure. If residues are there, if it is still mixed up, then that means there are many components other than turmeric powder mixed up to it. As you can see from this itself, it's already started coming down, the homemade organic powder, and the other one is still just like a solution mixed with yellow powder or something. Adulterated turmeric powder may contain methyl yellow, lead chromate and chalk powder. All of these are very harmful to our body. So this is the result I got after 20 minutes. As you can see, the homemade powder, all the powder came down to the bottom of the glass. But the store-bought turmeric powder is mixed up in the water, and the water is still not clear. All the residues are still there above, and organic turmeric powder is a mix of both. I was expecting organic will also, as they get the organic certification after some trial, something like that, right? So I was hoping that will also be pure, but as you can see, it came out just like this. You can try out with other brands also, different brands. Turmeric powder has lots and lots of health benefits. It is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. That means it helps our body to fight the foreign invaders and also helps in repairing damage. It is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants actually protects our body, reducing the risk of heart diseases and cancer. And it is a well-known fact that it is a super immunity booster. It has anti-aging properties and also uses for skin-related treatments. But all of these are applicable only if you are consuming turmeric powder, not some yellow powder in the name of it. So guys, please do try this at home. It won't cost you anything, but it might give you an understanding of what you're really consuming on a daily basis.